Hello everyone. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to download the IS code books. So you need to enter the BIS code for that. That is Bureau of Indian Standard. Through that you need to enter the website. Here there is something called as first of all you guys need to register first of all. So before that to the standards there is something called as download Indian standards. So go to that and you will enter the place where you can download the same code book. Sorry. Yeah, yes, it will redirect to register. So once you enter there, there's something called as register in here. If you have not registered, you should go and register it through this thing. Here, whatever is required and whatever is required, you guys need to enter in here. Just give it individual if you are a self owner or something like that, or you're working alone, or as an individual, you can download it. I have already registered through this. So first of all, what I need to do is if I want to download IS 875, just let's take an example. And here they have given IS 875 Part 3. So I'll be going through that. So if I want to download this, before that I need to log in through this. And so first of all, I've already logged in here. So I need to give the thing. So yeah, just go login. So once this is done, I can download the PDF now. So now just give the caption 1054 yeah, it is getting downloaded. Yeah, I think so. Right now it got downloaded. It is getting downloaded. So once this is downloaded, yeah, so we can open this out. So yeah. You guys can see in here whatever I have downloaded, they have given this name here, 6 standard thing I just started provided by BIS. So limited to page started my also whatever the name you have given and whatever the ID you have provided, it will be there. So this is how we do it. So like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.